Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's video, I am sharing all the cards that I made using the Share Sunshine PDF download, which was Stampin' Up's response basically to the COVID-19 we wanted to give back. So they have this, all the proceeds going from this PDF will go towards some organizations that are going to be helping to recover from COVID-19. So I've started to use up my cardstocks, Lovely Lipstick, Pineapple Punch, Blueberry Bushel, Call Me Clover, and I have cut out some of the sentiments from the 15-page download. So this download, I think it's approximately 15 bucks Canadian, $12 US, and it is going to a good cause. So you can think of the PDF as a gift for giving some money to charity. And some folks were a little upset that you couldn't see all of the sentiments in the PDF download. So this is me trying to share with you very simple cards, how you can put things together. And I'm also using up some of my patterned paper. Like this one was Pressed Petals, specialty paper. I have what else do I have? I have a dino roar in there. I had, I'm going to share a little bit later on with the Mosaic Mood and Noble Peacock. So, and these are in color papers, designer series papers. They're 6x6 and you just cut them down. The yellow ones were very, very faint, so I always made sure to put a little bit of a whisper white border behind it, but I am using the cardstocks as well. So these can be sent out to customers, clients. There's a whole bunch of other sentiments that I didn't use, but there's some really lighthearted and thoughtful sentiments that are really relevant to the unique COVID-19 and social distancing situation that we're currently in. So I thought that these are quite easy to put together. So I'm going to put 5 together for you in this video. All right, that paper, Best Dressed 6x6 designer series paper. I put that on a little bit of purple posy. I had that left over from when the new ink colors came out. And I'm just putting them on Whisper white cards this time around. So in case that's all you have, this is how simple it is to put together. I put some dimensionals behind that little rectangle, and these were, by the way, just offcuts from my little paper packs. So maybe I used it in a project. I think I used it in a project a while ago. So, and I had one left over. So there you are. That's the first card. And that's a really nice sentiment. And so that was cut out with the stitched rectangles, I think. This is the Pressed Petals Specialty Designer Series paper. It is a thin paper. I didn't use very much of it. I guess I'm just not a pressed petals person. But I do think it's pretty, especially these particular flowered pieces. And then the sentiment says, "I'm here for you from a distance," which I think is very appropriate right now. And these cards you can put together very, very, very quickly. You have some cardstock, you have some patterned paper, and you have the PDF that you can print out. So this says not alone, just apart, and it did come printed in color. I put it on a Whisper white piece, and then I backed it with foil. And then here's a big foil sheet. People are probably going to call me wasteful. Normally, you can cut out the middle of the foil and then place. This is actually Noble Peacock Specialty Designer series paper that went on top of the foil. But yeah, I was lazy and I have enough silver foil, and it's still being offered in the new catalog. So if I need some more, I'll buy some more. This is a special card. I put dimensionals on the back of the sentiment there, and see how simply that came together. And it's beautiful. Like, I would be happy to get a card like that. You don't have to go crazy when you are making cards. And this PDF is really good for beginners, because if you have a trimmer, you just trim it out. I found that the Whisper White, regular weight cardstock actually came very, very nicely through my printer, so I had no problem printing it. It's thinner than most papers, and it's specially treated for ink. So this is the Best Dress 6x6 Designer Series paper. Again, I love this stripy look. I'm putting it on a piece of mint macaron, and then I'm also going to mat that with some pretty peacock. And the neat thing is you don't really notice that the cardstocks are actually there. You think that it's kind of a part of the design. So if I felt like I needed this strip to be a little wider, this was perfect. So again, my Whisper White thick cardstock, and then I'm just using my dry adhesive here, and I am placing the card front to my card base. And I will put dimensionals on the back of Love Conquers All Things and plunk that in the top third. I can't decide whether the foil one or this one is my favorite. I love simple cards. That was cut out with the stitched squares. So this is the Mosaic Mood Specialty Designer Series paper. It is retiring. All the papers that I'm sharing with you right now is retiring. Now, I use the Mosaic Mood Specialty Designer Series paper specifically for this because this reminds me of bathroom tiles. When I went to Italy, we saw a lot of bathhouses as well. So there was a lot of mosaic tiles in there. So I love this toilet paper sentiment. I totally share my toilet paper with you. I think I'm going to send that to Dr. Bonnie Henry. In case you don't know, I live in British Columbia, and she has been a very calm influence over my province. And these are the 5 cards that I have made for you today. And if you stay tuned, you will see all of the stills for all of the other very simple cards. Thank you so very much for watching. I hope you're doing well, and bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.